the citizens of Menlo. This broadcast is being sent to every city in the country. Today, August 22nd, 2029, a deadly virus was released in the city of Castoria. The virus will be referred to as the WE-30 virus, or the white eyes contagion. Here are the instructions to deal with this virus. Do not go outside. Lock or board doors with a weapon to protect yourself and your family. Do not engage with hordes of infected. You will die, that is your own warning. That is all we can give right now. May God have mercy on our souls.